Let's run the dism tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. Let's run the Windows troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help page is opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Click the Start button and type Device Manager in the search bar. Click on it when it appears. Now look through the list. If it's an audio issue, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. For graphics, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on the device name, like Realtek Audio or NVIDIA Graphics. Choose Update Driver from the menu. When a new window pops up, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look for the latest version and install it if found. When it's done, make sure to restart your computer. Let's run the System File Checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, SFC space / scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.